So she's enjoying scrambled egg. Do you like scrambled egg? Just give a smile if you like scrambled egg. Oh, this is the second time I'm giving her mango. I gave her mango in morning, but she didn't like it. She found it very crazy. The taste was a little bit bitter, so she didn't like it. Now I'm giving her mango again, because when she will taste it again and again, then she will get habitual, then she will start eating. So, and second one is strawberry, and that is a scrambled egg, because she likes scrambled egg. From 3 or 4 days I'm giving her egg with sometime oats and banana, sometime with broccoli and carrot, but she was ready, but she didn't like it. So today I thought I will give her only scrambled egg, and I will try the broccoli and carrot, apple, sweet potato with another recipe. So let her eat what she want to eat. See how she's liking a scrambled egg. I'm not eating her, I'm not helping her in eating, because she needs to learn. She needs to learn etiquettes, how to eat and blah 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 blah. But I'm safeguarding her, like she will not eat any hard or anything. So see. No. Also you need to learn some etiquettes, na? You sorry. Okay. Sorry. I'm sorry. Eat. Oh, she was hungry. I didn't thought you are very hungry girl. Eat. Oh, eat. Enjoy. I will eat my dosa and she will eat the scrambled egg. No, that is a mango. If you will eat mango, you will not eat. She makes such a voices. You should also try. I gave her the avocado and banana. Today I just smashed it. Before that I was mixing avocado, blueberry, oats, and all these things, and then I was making a shake something for her, sometime puree for her. But today I just mashed and I gave it to her, and she liked it. Today was the second day. Avocado taste was a little bit different for her, but today was the second day, so she liked it. So also with the mango and strawberry, today is the second day. She's not liking as I was thinking, but of course when I will give her on a daily basis, because these are the important things for her that I need to give her. Because when she will start growing, slowly she will move to the fast food like burger, chips, chocolates. I cannot stop her, because of course she also need to enjoy all these things. I enjoyed, I tasted all these things, so she will also do the same thing, and she will learn with the passage of time which thing is important, which thing is not. At least I can do whatever I can do for her. I can give her the all basic nutrients, so it will become habits for her. When she will grow up, she will get to know, no, these are the nutrients that I need to take. So because I also learned with the passage of time, like I need to take the basic nutrients instead of trying the vitamins, tablets, all those things. Like I'm eating now almonds 1 mg in morning with empty stomach, then ginger and some other things like pumpkin seeds, sesame seeds. These are kind of things now I'm taking, because I get to learn with the passage of time, like these are the important things that I need to eat on the daily basis. So see, it is very important for the height of baby. You need to give egg on daily basis. So that is a clean, that is not dirty carpet, because I always clean. See, very good.